Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Exness to TradingView. So if you're trying to link these two platforms, follow along step by step. All right, let's dive in. Open TradingView on your phone or computer and make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top of the page and tap on the option that says Brokers. Now, this will take you to a page where you can see all the brokers that are officially supported by TradingView. Go ahead and scroll through the list and look for Exness. Now, here's the important part. You'll notice that Exness does not appear in the list. That means you can't log into your Exness account or place trades directly inside TradingView. Now, here's something important. Even if you open a chart first and try to connect a broker from the chart itself, or use the search bar to find Exness, you'll notice a message that says, "Nothing found." That's because Exness does not appear in TradingView's list of supported brokers. This means you cannot log into your Exness account or place trades directly inside TradingView. The reason for this is simple. For a broker to work with TradingView's trading panel, it needs a special API integration. Right now, Exness doesn't support that connection, so direct trading from TradingView isn't possible. But don't worry, there's still a very effective way to use both platforms together. Go ahead and use TradingView for your analysis. You can use its powerful charts, indicators, and drawing tools to find trading opportunities, whether you're using the free or paid version. Once you find a trade setup you like, switch over to your Exness platform. This could be MT4, MT5, the Exness Terminal, or the Exness Trade app, and place your trade manually there. Another useful trick is to set alerts on TradingView. For example, you can set alerts for price breakouts or indicator signals. When the alert is triggered, you'll get notified, and then you can go to your Exness platform and execute the trade. This is actually a very common method that even experienced traders use. And that's it. While you can't directly connect Exness to TradingView or trade from the charts, you can still combine TradingView's analysis with Exness's execution for a powerful workflow.